Hello everyone, today I'll be unboxing the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus microphone. Along with a rackside professional recording microphone stand and a Cooltron shock mount. So let's set those aside and unbox the microphone first. Inside the box we have an instruction manual, disposal papers, and a purchase registration card. So let's take a look at what's inside this beautiful leather pouch. We have a 3.1 meter USB cable, an AT8466 stand mount, and a small table stand. To be honest, it's kind of cute, but I won't be using it. So let's get onto the mic now. Wow, this microphone looks very aesthetically pleasing and looks really nice with that matte black finish. Here's some of the information on the back. Here's the headphone jack for monitoring. Here is the mix monitor meter. And this is the headphone output meter. Okay, so let's set the microphone aside and unbox the shock mount. Okay, so we have this thread piece, which I assume goes into the shock mount. Now, last but not least, I'll unbox the microphone stand. We have a desk clamp for the arm. And this is the boom arm itself. I expected it to be bigger, but what can you expect for €12? We have this accessory that is not for condenser mic, so I'll just take this off. I'll set that aside and show you how to set it up. So So you screw the clamp onto your desk. And make sure it's sturdy. Then you insert the arm into the clamp and tighten it. Now's the time to screw in the shock mount or whatever you have. At this time you insert the mic into the shock mount and angle it however you want. I have this pop guard filter that I'm going to put on. If you didn't know what pop filters do, they attempt to spread, deflect, or diffuse the air before it hits the mic. But they don't work 100% of the time. They're just there to try and help you. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're wondering how it sounds, well, you're listening to it for the whole video. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you liked it or not, please leave me some feedback below. And as always, I'll see you next time, which is probably in like a year or so.